Well, good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, and as goes with most weeks, the shop is a mess. So, I'm going to put you guys on fast forward. I got actually an exciting job today. I'm going to get this cleaned up a little bit. I'm installing a fan, an inline duct fan in my attic. Now, yesterday, I installed a GFI outlet up there that I can run the gable vent and the duct fan on. So it's going to be a thermostatically controlled duct fan, so when the AC comes on, the fan comes on and increases the pressure in the duct. It's going to be an exciting little project, but we're still waiting on the US Postal Service, and it's only 6 a.m. in the morning, so it's going to be a little while. So I'm going to work on cleaning the shop. I did hit a couple nails with my miter saw, so I'm going to check out the blade, and yeah, we'll get you guys on fast forward and get that done. Alright, so I'll show you a little issue that we're having here. With our solar setup. So obviously it's dark out, and so we've got 12.2 volts on our battery. I've got just this charger plugged into it. When I switch it on, you'll hear the click. Watch the voltage. See how it drops? And when it gets to like 11.4, it'll start alarming because it has a low voltage alarm on the inverter. And I'll show you. There's the alarm. And once it gets to, like, I don't know, I think it's 11.0 or 10.9, then it shuts off. So that's the problem I'm having now. And it doesn't appear that the panel is putting out enough watts to keep the battery going. I'll show you once the sun comes up a little bit here in about an hour. Oh, my meter turned off. And it creeps back up. See, 12.1, and we'll be back at 12.2 in just a second. We'll hit 12.4 like in the heat of the day when the sun's at the highest. But yeah, that's what we're looking at anyway. We'll come back to this once we get a little bit of daylight, and I'll show you. All right, so I've had a slight change of plan. Something I've been planning on doing for a long time now that I decided to just do today. I've got so many weed eaters, just stuff everywhere, and I'm going to build a rack to hold them. So I need to take pretty much everything from there to there, get it out, put it out there, and I'm going to build it along that wall and get things further organized. So here we go. This is going to be a horrible mess, but it's got to be done. So as it turns out, I don't have to, excuse me, empty the whole thing. I only need 4 feet is what I think I need. Now the floor is still rotten down here, but I'm not concerned about that because if I put it 4 feet, it's going to be right on a floor joist. So that'll be fine. So we're going to go about from right here, 4 feet that way, which is going to put us, let's get out a tape measure, 4 feet, right on that line. It's going to put us right about to there. So yeah, I'm gonna get the saw in here, or maybe I'm gonna do the cutting out there actually, so I don't have to worry about cleaning up sawdust. But I'm gonna get the air compressor kicked on, because I'm gonna blow all that crap out of there. Just clean it all up with air. Easiest way to do it. All right. I think I'm gonna use that first board as the top. I want to cut the legs first. I think they need to be 5 feet. Yeah, I think they need to be 5 feet. Foot it is. Need to maybe put you guys in a better spot. Even though I don't have a better spot. Here, maybe. How's that? You see okay? Oh yeah, that'll be a good spot. All right. It's like $7 right out the door. That's kind of a waste, isn't it? How'd we do? Oh, pretty damn good. All right. Now I need 1/4 foot. I need to check this measurement. show you guys what we're going after. So there's my piece, and it's not level, but the legs are, you know, I got to do more to it. So basically, I'm going to be able to hang some long ways, because I'm going to put some little kickers coming out. So I'll be able to take some of the longer trimmers, put a couple few, you know, that way. And then I've got a rail system that I'm going to attach to the top here that I'll be able to, and I got 3 hooks, but I'll be able to hang 3 or 4 this way. That's the idea. And this top piece is going to actually be mounted like so, but down level. So you'll see once we get it together. And then I'm going to put some maybe 2 foot with what do you call them? I don't remember what you call them. Supports. Anyway, you'll see as we're getting it together. Actually, if I cut this right in half. I'm gonna go get some coffee and some more tools. Alright guys, so it's several hours later. I actually have been gone for a while, but I got frustrated and just finished it. So there it is. That's gonna make things, I mean, look at this. It's gonna be so much more organized in here. And I'm not gonna have equipment just laying around everywhere, sitting out in the sun and the weather. I still got 1, 2, 3, at least 4 trimmers sitting outside that I'll have to figure something out. But anyway, I got the so I used just standard 2x4 construction, and I used the Craftsman little rack system, so I could hang all these guys on it. And then the trimmers, I bought these Craftsman hooks that clip in there, and they lock in down here to hang the other trimmers on. Got the hedge trimmer down there on that little bottom brace. So yeah, now I'm taking up a lot of space in here that used to have other things here, so I still have to figure that out. I've got outside my little rack full of parts there. We've got the miter saw still out there. What else? There was something else. Oh, the mower. The Craftsman mower. I got to find a place to put that too. So anyway, it's a work in progress, but for today, I'm done. I'm just going to tidy my mess up, move some stuff around, and move on to the next job, which is going to be installing a 6-inch inline duct fan in the attic as soon as the mail gets here. I'm going to put some of that on this video, but I'll probably make that and do a video on its own. So look for that very shortly after seeing this one, or maybe even before. I don't know. Anyway guys, we'll see you up in the attic.